going to show you how to build a filter that you can put into your shop or even in your home. You know, if people are sick in your home or whatever. This is a really good filtering system to recirculate all the air in your home, or if you're in a workshop and you have dust flying around. This is really good. Okay, first you'll need to get 4 filters. by 20 by 2. Okay, now these are a MERV 13. Okay, MERV 13 is going to take care of mold in the air. It's going to take care of really small particulates and even smoke. Like, I live close to the Everglades, and sometimes when they're burning, the smoke, you can smell it really bad in the house and everything. So this is a really good system I want to put together for that, or for when I'm doing some woodworking and I have some particles. Anyway, it's not like a HEPA. HEPA's like a MERV 17 and above, okay? But like, this is going to be a real inexpensive thing. It's going to cost you less than $100 to make this filtering box, and it'll recirculate the air in your home or your shop, whatever you want to do. You can't use this high of a filter in your household air conditioner. It'll make the motor work too hard, and it's not good for your system. It'll do more harm for your air conditioning system than you realize. Most of the time you're using a MERV 8 in a house, okay? So building this simple little system will alleviate you from having to do that. If you have people who have allergies, when there's a lot of pollen in the air, this is a good thing to set up in the middle of your house and just recirculate the air to get the pollen out. I know my wife has allergies with pollen and stuff, so I think this is going to be a good addition to our home. Okay, so you need the 4 filters. The MERV filters, these 4 here, ran about $60. Okay, if you were trying to do a MERV 17, they'll run you almost $100 a piece. Okay, so this is an inexpensive way to go, and will still do everything that you need. Okay, a 20-inch box fan. They're really cheap, 30 bucks. Okay, a roll of tape. And I just happen to have a piece of wood, but you don't even have to use the wood. You can actually use the cardboard that came from the box of the filter. There's enough there to make it work if that's what you want. If you have a small piece of wood laying around the house, you want to cut it 21 by 3/8, 21 by 3/8. Okay, now let's get started. And all these materials I'm going to have in the description. You'll be able to purchase everything right from there. I like this fan because the controls are on the top, okay, and you'll see why. They're on the face. They could be on the side, but it's better for it to be on top. It makes it much more easier. So I provided everything in the description. Go through there, purchase. Okay, the first thing you want to do is get your piece of wood. Okay. Grab your filter, and they're going to have an arrow. Okay, you want that arrow to be facing, for the air to flow this way. Get a couple pieces of tape ready. Okay. Air pointing to the center of
arrow center of the box. And we're just tacking it off. Sealing all these gaps, okay?
now the tape I got is extra wide. To me, it makes it easier. Now that you have all the 4 of those done, turn it over and do this. Okay, now I have all 4 edges done and the 4 edges on the bottom. Now we have our box with all our arrows pointing inwards. Okay? All right.
With controls on the very top of the face. Now what I didn't anticipate is where the cord was going to be. I didn't check that out when I purchased it. Okay, there's a feet. Okay, now.
center your fan on the top. Put a piece of tape to hold it in place. Okay. Now the fan's being held in place, controls are on the very top.
Look at the corners. And when you come to the cord, put enough to where it's going to go faster.
Okay. Make a slice right where the cord is.
Okay.
And one go the other way. And once you turn on the fan, you'll check these spots anyway and make sure they're covered well. Okay, that's it. Now let's take it inside and give. Okay, got it all hooked up, power on. I turned it all the way to low. It's nice and quiet. It's blowing good. Medium. And high. Okay. Well, That's how you build a filter that you can clean the air in your home for under $100. You can buy the expensive $400, $500, $600 or more HEPA filter machines, or you can build this for $100 and you can circulate the air in your house. If someone's sick in your house, it will help keep the air clean so nobody else gets sick. All right, build them with Papa. Give me a thumbs up. See you on the next one.